Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete account in PeoplePerHour 2026. First, open your browser and go to peopleperhour.com. Click on Login, then enter your email and password to access your account. Once you're logged in and on the dashboard, go to your profile and click on Settings. Inside the Settings page, navigate to the Account section and click on Edit. Scroll down until you find the option related to account deactivation. You'll see a message that says if none of the options help and you still want to deactivate your account, you can continue. Click on that link. Next, you'll be asked to select a reason for leaving. Options may include receiving too many emails, high fees, not understanding the platform, or other reasons. Choose any option that fits your situation, and you can also add your own feedback. After that, tick the confirmation checkbox stating that your profile, reviews, and portfolio will be permanently deleted and that clients will no longer be able to contact you. Now click on Deactivate. You'll receive a confirmation message saying that an email has been sent to your inbox. Open your email, find the message from PeoplePerHour, and click on the Confirm Deactivation link. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.